Commutative property of multiplication. Max and Otto are going to play another game of tennis. Otto has 2 containers in his backpack and 3 tennis balls in each container. Max has 3 containers in his backpack with 2 tennis balls in each one. Who has more tennis balls?
They both have 6, so yeah, they have the same number of tennis balls.
Otto and Max have the same number of tennis balls. If we put the containers together, one on top of the other, we can see that the quantities are the same. How many tennis balls does Otto have?
So let's see, Otto has 3 plus 3. He has 6 tennis balls.
Exactly. Otto has 3 plus 3, 6 tennis balls. We can also find the result by multiplying. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. How many tennis balls does Max have?
Max has 2 plus 2 plus 2. He also has 6 tennis balls.
Very good! Max has 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 tennis balls. We can also find the result by multiplying. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Max and Otto have the same number of tennis balls. Therefore, the multiplication 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to the multiplication 2 multiplied by 3. The order of the multiplication doesn't matter because the result doesn't change. Your friends want to try it with other numbers, so they've taken the tennis balls out of their containers and arranged them in rows and columns on the floor. They've put 4 tennis balls in the first row, 4 in the second, and 4 in the third. They have 4 plus 4 plus 4 tennis balls, and they know that this is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. So, how many tennis balls do they have? Perfect! Now they count the columns, and they have 3 tennis balls in the first column, 3 in the second, 3 in the third, and 3 in the fourth. Therefore, they have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 tennis balls, which is the same as 3 multiplied by 4. What is 3 multiplied by 4?
It's the same, so it's 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. 12 tennis balls.
Very good! Otto and Max have discovered the commutative property. The order of the factors does not change the product. In other words, if you change the order of the numbers you are multiplying, you will still get the same result. 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12, and so does 3 multiplied by 4. Try applying the commutative property yourself.
So we have 2 rows of 5, which is the same as, let's see, these are columns. How many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 columns, 2, so 2 plus 5.
Very good. But what do we need the commutative property for? Well, so we only have to learn half of the multiplication tables. If you know your 3 times tables, but you haven't learned your 6 times tables yet, do you know what 6 multiplied by 3 is? Of course! Because 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 6. What is 6 multiplied by 3?
Easy, so since I already know that 3 multiplied by 6 is 18, and that means 6 multiplied by 3 is also 18. Oops, 18.
Great! Now, knowing the 4 times table, write the result of 6 multiplied by 4.
Okay, since 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24, that must mean 6 multiplied by 4 is also equal to 24.
Good work! Now keep practicing.